Hello and how friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and eat some sandwich. Later I will carry you soon in a new journey of story. The journey of 1,000 miles. Now let's go. In a bustling city there was a young woman named Chelsiya who dreamed of starting her own bakery. She had always loved baking, but she worked long hours at a job that left her little time to pursue her passion. However, Chelsea believed that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. One evening, after a particular exhausting day, Chelsea decided to take that first step. She started baking small batches of cookies and cakes in her tiny kitchen and sold them to the friends and neighbors. Her creation was simple but made with love and dedication. Every night, Chelsea experimented with new recipes and techniques, slowly perfecting her craft. Despite the long hours and frequent setbacks, she remained determined. Chelsea saved every penny she earned, reinvesting it into better ingredients and equipment. As the months turned into years, Chelsia's reputation grew. She built a loyal customer base who appreciate her delicious treats and admire her perseverance. One day, a local cafe owner tasted her pastries and offered her a partnership, allowing her to sell her baked goods in their shop. Chelsia's hard work paid off, and soon her pastries were in high demand. With cafe's success, she saved enough money to open her own bakery. On the opening day, the line of customers stretched around the block, all eager to support Chelsia's dream. Standing in her bustling bakery, Chelsea reflected her own journey. It had been a long and challenging, but each small step had brought her closer to her dream. Her story is a reminder that with the passion, hard work, and persistence, even the most distant dreams can become reality. Unless the moral of the story is every great achievement starts with a single step, and through dedication and perseverance, we can turn our dreams into reality. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
You're nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies.